Hi friends, good morning. Are you all safe at home? Today, after this lesson, make sure you complete your nearpod worksheet and watch the supplementary video. Are you all playing Khan Academy Kids every day? Hello children, good morning. Do you remember what we studied in our previous class? Yes, we studied about forest. We revised about forest. So children, have you completed your homework which I gave you in the last class? Okay, show me your classwork. Let me check. Very good children. So let's move on to our today's topic. Our today's topic is about plains and hills. Plains and hills. Okay. So first, let's revise about plains. Shall we start revising? Yes. What is a plain? Jessica, give me your answer. Yes, plains are flat land area. Very good. Siddharth, is it warm in the plains? Yes, it is warm in the plains. Good job. Yarini, where do we grow crops? Yes, we grow crops in the plains. Yashwant, from where do these farmers get water? Can you tell me the sources of water? Yes, the sources of water are rain, rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells. We can also grow sugarcane crops in the plains. Sugarcane, paddy, wheat in the plains. Can we grow only crops? We can also grow animals and birds. We can have animals like cows, goats, bullocks, buffaloes, and also many other kinds of birds. Children, do you know what is a hill? Yes, hill is a small mountain, but it is not so high. Mountains are very high, isn't it? But hills are not very high, but they are not too high. Hills are generally green in color. It's very beautiful. Hills are much cooler than the plains. Plains are hot, not hot, they are warm. Plains are warm, hills are cool. People usually visit the hill stations during the summer holidays. Do you all go to the hill stations during your after your annual exams? Yes. Look at this picture. This hill looks as if steps have been made out of it. Do you know what are steps? Yes, steps have been made out of it. In the hills, the crops are grown in these steps. This kind of steps farm are called as terrace farms. Tea and coffee are grown in terrace farming. Ooty is also called as the queen of the hill stations. How many of you have visited Ooty? I can see many hands. Do you know, children? Kodaikanal is called as the princess of hill stations in Tamil Nadu. How many of you have been to these places or any other hill stations? Wow, I can see many hands are up. Shall we do an activity today? Good. Now let's start doing an activity. Okay, I'll count from 1 to 5. Quickly run and bring your pencil, EVS textbook and one-sided ruled notebook. Shall I start counting? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, ready. Okay, now turn your EVS book to page number 78. To page number 78. So, as I tell you the words which belong to the planes, underline. The words which belong to the planes, underline with your pencil. The words which belong to the hills. The words which belong to the hills, you will circle. The words which belong to the hills, you will circle. So that after the class, you can write these words in your textbook. Okay. Shall we start? Are you all ready with your pencil and page number 78? Okay. Cool. Which place is cool? Now you will circle the word cool. Okay, the next one, tea. Where do these tea crops grow? In the hills. So you will circle tea. The next one is flat. Which area is flat? Yes, it is the plains. So you will underline. Next, step farm. Step farm. Where did we see step farm? Yes, we saw it in the hills. In the hills. So you will circle. The next, it's warm. Warm. Plains are warm. So you will underline. Where does sugarcane grow? Does it grow in the hills? No. It grows in the plains. So you will underline sugar canes. The next one is a hill station. Where can we find a hill station? Is it in the plains? No. Hill stations are found in the hills. So you will circle. The next one is coffee. Where does coffee grow? In the hills. So you will circle. High. It is in the hills. So circle high. Crops. Where do you grow crops? Crops are grown both in plains and on the hills. So you will underline as well as circle it. Children, for your homework, you have to write these words 3 times in your classwork. How many times? 3 times each word you will write in your classwork. I hope you like this lesson. Bye kids.